Even if you're not a prawns lover, try out today's recipe and I bet and I guarantee you, you will love prawns. So hi guys, my name is Stan and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make prawns chili fry in a most simplest and easiest way. I don't have access to the smaller prawns, the kardi what you call in Mumbai. So that's the reason I'm making this recipe in the bigger prawns, which is the tiger prawns that I got. But if you have access to the smaller prawns, that's kardi, that's my favorite. Try out this recipe with those prawns. So let's get started. So let's begin with marinating the prawns. So I have deveined the prawns. For those who don't know what is deveining, there is a black thing here on both the side of the prawns. So you just need to remove them. Okay, and I've washed it nicely with water. And now I'll marinate it with half teaspoon of salt and around half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a tablespoon of white vinegar. Okay, and I'll give it a nice mix. Okay, you don't have to marinate it for an hour or so, just 5 to 10 minutes while you're chopping all your ingredients. You can just keep this for marination. And now I'll start with the cooking. So in a pan, I'm heating around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Alright, so the oil is heated well. I've made the flame low and I'm adding in half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, followed by fresh curry leaves, followed by 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Now I'll fry this onion until they are golden brown. Okay, now I'll keep frying them. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes. We need to keep stirring this so that it doesn't burn. Alright, at this point here, I'll be adding ginger and garlic. So I've taken 3 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. So I'll add this. You can also use ginger garlic paste if you want. Okay, now we'll let it fry well. I'll fry it on medium flame. Can you see the color of the onion? Okay, it's turning brown. At this point, I'll turn the flame low and I'll keep frying it till I get the onions golden brown. Okay, so this is the color of the onion that I'm looking for. So after frying it well for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame and stirring it continuously, I've got this color. Okay, now I will add in tomatoes. Okay, so I'll add in the tomatoes. So I've taken here 1 medium-sized tomato finely chopped, and here I'll be adding in around a teaspoon of salt. You can add salt as per required. Okay, now I'll fry it well. At this point here, I'm adding in 1 green chili. So now this is the dark green chili. So I'll just give it a slit. So I'll just add in 1. So I've just given a small slit. And now it's time for the dried spices. Here goes in a teaspoon of red Kashmiri chili powder, jeera powder, and a teaspoon of coriander powder. Now I'm not adding in turmeric powder because I've marinated the prawns well with turmeric powder, so I'll not add more. Now at this point here, I'll be adding in potatoes. So I've just cut the potatoes in small cubes. So I'll add this. And I'll add little water. Little more water. Alright, And now we will close this with a lid so that the potatoes can cook. Now because of the sourness of the tomato, the process of the potato getting cooked faster will slow down. So keep adding water periodically and let the potato cook well. What you can also do is you can add the potato first after the onions getting brown. Let the potato cook around 80% and then you can add in the tomato. Okay, so let's check. It's already looking so awesome. Okay, now I'll just check if the potato is cooked. Yes, see this. The potato is cooked. And now I'll add in the prawns. And let's give it a mix. So prawns won't take time to cook, so that's the reason I just let the potato cook well. I'll just add in fresh coriander leaves. I've chopped it. I'll just add slight water here. I'll just cover it. Now we'll wait for around a minute or two and that's it. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. Let's see. Look at this, guys. It's looking awesome. That's about it. I'll just turn off the flame and I'll just garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. And it's ready to serve. Alright, that's about it with the recipe, guys. This dish is looking awesome. Look at the prawns. The potato is cooked and the dish has become amazing. It's smelling amazing. Do try this at home and let me know how you like the video. If you are the one who hasn't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button now and see you next time. Bye bye.